guys, this is Miss Tamarachi Kirtiga from Prita Ma'am Tamarachi. Today in this video we have seen about the interesting updates of cricket and interesting updates of IPL 2022. We all facing IPL 2021 postponed due to the reason of corona and severe cases in India. So BCCI decided to make this IPL more interesting and more difficult to play. So they are decided. So BCCI decided to add the two more teams. Already we know in 2011 we added the two teams, Kochi Texas Kerala and Pune Warriors. Due to the financial issues, these two teams are not able to continue after these years. So again the BCCI had decided our plan to take two more teams in IPL 2022. In IPL 2022, if we had seen the 10 teams, so there are more players who got benefited in these two teams. The main reason is there are most players who get benched for those. So here there are the some 10 players who got easily chance in two teams. So in this list, the first Chris Lennon, he is an Australian player and he is a best opener in KKR team. We all knows the KKR open batsman is Chris Lennon and Sunil Narine. So KKR released Chris Lennon in 2020. But MI bought him in 2020 IPL auction, but they didn't give much opportunities for Chris Lennon because MI had a best good lineup for batting. So if the team was started, if the new two teams was started, if they want a good opener, Chris Lennon is the best choice to pick up a good opener. Though he got more chances in MI, but he is neglected to be an opener, to be an batting. He got a bench for most of the matches. So if the two teams were started, he is the first player to got a best choice, to got a best opener in these two teams. So that second person in the list, Kamlesh Nagaroti. He was another star player and he is a fast bowler. His entry in under 19 World Cup match in 2018 and his debut in IPL is 2018 match in KKR team. He is a fast bowler. As soon as he is a fast bowler, in 2018 he got a best chance, but he got an injury in this chance due to this injury. He didn't play 2019 season 2. Finally, he played 2020 season in UAE. Most of the matches he gets only benched. So if the new team want a best bowler, best spinner, Kamlesh Nagaroti is a good pickup. So in this list, we've gone to see the third player, Aaron Finch. As well as he is an Australian player. He is an Australian player. He is an Australian captain. So one side he is a player and another side is a national side captain. Although he is an Australian captain, he did not sold in 2021 cricket IPL. Now he has played 8 teams, but he didn't prove himself even a single team because he didn't get a single chance in all those teams. If their chance of getting a 2 teams, he is a best player, he is a best captain too. If your teams wants a best captain and a best player in single manner, Aaron Finch is suitable player. So in this list again we have Shreyas Gopal. He is an all-rounder player as he is playing for Rajasthan in IPL, he is playing for a team called as Rajasthan Royals. In IPL 2009, he took 20 wickets in 14 matches, but he didn't get a chances in 2021. There is a very big chance to pick up as an all-rounder in a team. We hope he get many chances in these two teams. And this next, the fifth player, Joe Root. Joseph Edward Root, and most aggressive batsman. You are a cricket fan. If you are a cricket fan, you see the cricket, you watch a regular cricket, you know how aggressive player is Joe Root. You know this match winning knock of Root. If you are a cricket fan, you watch all the crickets and all the matches, you know how Joe Root will play. If you are a cricket fan, you guess it, right? It's right. 2016 World Cup T20 against West Indies. This team, this World Cup is best World Cup forever till now for Joe. He too is the player who didn't play in single team, who didn't stay in single team in IPL. And one more thing, he is the greatest test player and he is the greatest at T20 player. New team want a top order batsman. He is the best choice for two new teams, and he is the best batsman, best player for two new teams. So player is Karthik Tyagi. He is a 20-year-old fast bowler in Rajasthan. His team, Rajasthan Royals, says his batting is like Bruce Lee and his bowling is like Ishan Sharma. He is mixing of these two players. They usually says about him. He is a good bowler for India's Tour Australia team, and as we all know, the under 19 World Cup, that under 18 World Cup 2020, he is the second highest wicket taker in this tournament. He impressed all for his bowling. He impressed all the persons, all the cricket fans from his bowling. The team wants most fantastic bowler. He is the best choice. He is a super choice for a fantastic bowler, Karthik Tyagi. He is a best bowler. He got benched in IPL 2021. If the two teams actually comes, he got a great opportunity in IPL 2022. Next, the seventh player is Mitchell Santner. Santner is a good player, a New Zealand spinner and low order batsman. And we all know he is CSK player. Though he is in CSK, he didn't get a good chance because in his batsman order, he is the 11th player to bat in CSK. But so he didn't get more chances to play in CSK. For last 2 years, he played just 6 matches for CSK. He didn't get more chances and he didn't get more chances to prove himself to play. So, the new teams got a best bowler and a low order batsman to his batsman. So, he is a right pickup. If they want a best bowler and low order batsman, Mitchell Santner is a best choice. So, he also got many chances. Likely a new team have come. So, the 8th player is Narayanan Jagdishan. He is also a CSK player. As we all know, he is a Tamil Nadu player and he is a CSK. He is the highest run scorer in Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy in 2021. He is in IPL. He is currently playing for CSK and he is the best spinner in CSK. He played a huge role in Tamil Nadu champions in Syed Muhammad Ali Trophy and he is a best player. CSK is completely sorted, is completely arranged. A good team, a good batsman in order to high order batsman to low order batsman. For it is difficult to find the best players in CSK team. So, he might get more opportunities with these two teams. So, the 9th player. So, the 9th player is Mushfiqur Rahim. He is a Bangladesh player and he is the most successful wicket keeper. He hits a ball very well. He is a national player. In national side, he is a good player. It's a good pick. He is a successful player too. His wish is want to play in IPL if the new and he is a very good wicket keeper and very good batsman. If the two teams really arrive in 2022, there are more players who get chance, who get placed in these two teams and they got an opportunity to show their talents in IPL 2022. And the last player who want to see in these list is 10th player Jalaj Saxena. He is an indoor all-rounder player. He is a debut player in 2007 Ranji Trophy, and Saxena has a lot of experience in domestic field, in domestic circuits, and he is a great player too, but he never got opportunities in IPL. He's played only one match in IPL. Jalaj was part of MI, RCB, DC. In 2021, he is a debut player in PBKs, Punjab Kings. So he performed well in domestic field, domestic circuit. He didn't get a single award till now. In addition of these two teams, there are more opportunities in 2022 for most players, for more players in IPL. So, the big issue the world facing is a corona, and the big issues the best players, the talented players is facing, like they are got opportunities, but they are got not placed in correct situation and the correct team. They are not getting a correct opportunity. You are getting opportunity, but they are not getting a correct place to play. If the two teams in IPL 2022, if the two teams were really arrived, BCCI has taken a good decision for these players to play a good, to showcase their talents in these two teams. So, from this, I'm closing my speech, and thank you for watching this video, and thank you for hearing me. And if I committed any mistakes in this video, you can easily you can correct me in comments, and you can suggest me any suggestion you give me in my comments, and encourage me throughout this journey. And this journey is my best journey, and this is my second video in this channel, and you support me, you correct me in journey. And this is your first video you are seeing me in English. Please subscribe my channel and press the button, because then only you can see all my videos what are I putting in this channel. So I'm going. Thank you for watching me, and this is Keerthika signing off. Bye bye Makle. Good night.